competition. No wonder. He's a big threat para sa Arellano.
Berdal. Down the line for Carl. At
Yes.
eto na. Carl is starting to get pumped up.
Oh, ito na. Onting apoy pa para kay Carl Berdal. Pero Carl this time maximizing the height difference. Kay Aranyo, ang taas ng spiking reach ni Berdal. Kaya naman medyo bukas sa kanya at mas madali ang down the line.
So, Himzon at Ambrosio na una para sa mga letranista. 8 and 6 respectively. Oh, what a
Regalo.
Adi. Papalo. Oh, teka, magsaset!
Oh! 2 times the charm para kay Villados. Parehas na fake set eh. Fake set. Ito kasi yung threat kay Villados eh. Kaya niyang paluin yung mga ganung bola. Pero the unselfishness giving away para sa kanyang teammate right in the middle. Wow. And great connection as well for Villados and Pangilinan.
Got skills. That guy's got skills.
Or a drop ball kaling kay Vince Simpson. Iba talaga. High flyer! And speaking of the high flyer, AC Ginto on that open area. Single block coverage. A big no-no for AC. Bomba! Boom, no block pala. Grabing regalo yun. Kung ako yung bola, umaray ako. Pag ganun yung palo. Now we're tied at 12. What a serve! And the lead now goes to the side of Arellano with that regalo para kay Villados. Tipping it over sa side ng Letran.
Nakahabol. Naunahan na ng Arellano itong Letran. And now they can build on a lead. AC!
AC Ginto going down the line. Kaya na pa yung tina-target to. Alam natin na ito yung isa sa pinaka-tina-target ng area. Hindi mo pwedeng buksan yung area para kay AC. AC Ginto. Not too powerful of a spike, but knowing where to put it. Easy work for AC.
7 points. And a double high five from Coach. Yung 6-feet Arellano Chief squad nasa likod niya.
Oh! Villados, 2-hand drop ball. Grabe yun, iba talaga advantage kapag matangkad ka na setter at mas lalo kapag frontline ka pa. Look at that drop, parang dinang Anton. Ooh. Woo!
Villados. AC.
Wow! AC Ginto, single block coverage. No, and yes for AC. First substitution sa side ng Arellano, Anton.
A rookie.
Catareya.
Villados. AC.
And AC getting that point and getting that set for the Arellano Chiefs. Full of confidence right now.
6 points today. Sumagaysay. Ambrosio. Oh!
Let's see kung anong adjustment gagawin ng Ambrosio. Pinalo pa rin. Wow!
Oh!
Quick set in the middle. Villados and Pangilinan connecting once again. The blockers were there but that was too late dahil ang bilis pinalo ni Pangilinan. Yung quick set na yon mula kay Villados. Puntos para sa Arellano.
Arellano.
Is back in alongside Aranyo.
Bem na lang ang kulang. Berdal.
Berdal! Nagising! Taunting Aranyo! Sabi niya, niliprid ko lang naman eh. O ano? Dinab ko lang. Grabe, Carl Berdal.
That's gonna be a meme right there. That's gonna be a legend.
Lamang ng 7 ang Arellano.
Ito yung pasa. Ito yung set ni Adi. Running attack. Picked up by Bermido. Aranyo. Back row. Ambrosio. Popped up by Villados. Ito na si AC. Ball is back in the air.
Oh! Quick drop by Kuramen once again. Very effective break ball, fast transition plays. Villados always looking for his quickers. This time, napunta na naman kay Kuramen. Quick drop ball. Puntos para sa Arellano. Inching closer to get Good serve.
Villados to Carl.
Carl
15.
Berdal feeling it right now. The destiny and the legacy on his shoulders para sa Arellano. Carl Berdal, two-man block coverage. Lakas ng braso ni Carl Berdal. Soaring high for that set. The exclamation point and a services for Villados. 23 to 15. 2 points away. 16 years in the making, Anton. And I know Coach Brian Vitug,
Humihirit na.
he can feel it right now.
Rolling
Vince
down
Singzon.
his cheeks. Villados.
And Pangilinan ending the match. Arellano wins this championship after 16 years.
How sweet it is.
Sweet 16 for the Arellano Chiefs. NCAA Season 100 Men's Volleyball Champions.